Have you ever wondered why some genius coders seem to effortlessly solve problems during contests while others struggle? And how they achieve impressive ratings? Today, I will reveal the exact secrets of extraordinary coders. What makes them different? How do they practice? And most importantly, how can you become one of them? What if I told you the difference between you and them isn't talent? It's what they do that you don't. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they're doing differently, and you'll have the genius strategy to elevate your own coding game to genius level. Let's dive into the secrets they don't want you to know. Ready to unlock the secrets of genius coders? For that, I have made this video into 3 parts, so that everything is organized. First, we'll dive into the core strategy that separates them from the rest of us. Then, I'll reveal exactly what they do to rise above the competition by analyzing a genius coder. Finally, I'll break down the key strategies you need to follow to elevate your own skills and become a coding genius. These 3 sections hold everything you need to get there. Don't miss a second. Skipping any part could mean missing the key to your own breakthrough. Watch until the end, and I guarantee you'll walk away with the strategies that top coders follow. Let's discuss small strategies and habits that make a huge gap between genius coders and us. Imagine what it would feel like to solve even the toughest coding challenges with confidence. That's the goal you can reach if you change the way you practice. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the exact strategy that genius coders use to skyrocket their skills. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could make you the next genius coder. The truth is, most of us do unstructured, unorganized practice, hoping for results without a clear strategy. But genius coders, they do completely opposite things. They don't look for shortcuts. Instead, they follow a strategic long-term plan and stick to it. Success doesn't happen overnight. Genius coders spend years honing their craft, solving hundreds of problems, but not just any problems. They rarely waste time on easy ones. Their focus is on the hard, impactful challenges. First, they master the fundamentals of algorithms, then they dive into tougher and tougher problems. But they don't stop there. They revisit these core topics again and again, practicing until they've completely mastered them, dedicating years to consistent practice. Every day, without fail, they set aside time to sharpen their skills. They compete regularly and make sure to upsolve after every contest, ensuring they're always improving. Let's see what they are doing exactly. Let's decode this profile. I picked this from Leetcode randomly. We can see he got the Guardian badge in Leetcode. This coder is among the top 1% worldwide, and his rating is 2,232. So we can consider this coder as a genius. Cool. If we analyze his profile deeply, we can see this user has been coding for more than 5 years. He started his journey at the end of 2019, and he has been very consistent in solving problems since then. Green all over the graph. It indicates he is a very consistent coder. Let's dig deeper. If we take a look here, this user solves lots of dynamic programming problems. In each contest, you will see one or more dynamic programming problems. He focused on it clearly. He solves other advanced stuff like backtracking, monotonic stack. Awesome, he also solved a lot of breadth-first search, depth-first search, and tree problems, which are very important for contests and coding interviews. He also mastered binary search problems, which appear frequently in contests. This genius coder attended more than 200 contests. Means he prepared very well for any contests, and also he upsolved problems after the contest. Take a look here, amazing. He solved more than 1,400 good quality problems. That makes him understand problems quickly. Awesome. Now let's summarize the strategies genius coders follow and apply those to our own coding journey as much as possible to become one of them. These strategies are important to follow, as these are proven. Maybe they look simple, but these strategies has power to lead any coder to be a genius. Okay, cool. Let's summarize these powerful strategies. Solve high-quality problems. Don't waste time on easy problems. Focus on medium and hard challenges that push your limits. Stick to one platform for practice to build consistency and avoid distractions. Consistency is king. The secret to genius coders? Daily problem solving. Never miss a day. Your consistency determines your success. Long-term commitment. Becoming a genius isn't quick. You need to practice consistently for years, 4 or more, to reach your full potential. Master key algorithms and data structures. Genius coders become experts in fundamental algorithms and data structures by solving many variations. This allows them to tackle any problem they face. Compete and upsolve. Attend up to 3 contests weekly to test your skills. After each contest, upsolve. That means solving 1 or 2 problems you couldn't solve during the contest. This is how top coders sharpen their skills. Love coding. Coding is a passion. Even when you fail, view it as a learning opportunity. Enjoy the process, study others' solutions, and remember, even geniuses don't solve every problem perfectly. They just know how to adapt fast because they've practiced so much. Becoming a genius coder isn't luck. It's about smart, strategic practice. Start applying these strategies and watch your skills soar. If you're serious about leveling up your coding game and enjoyed this video, subscribe for more. I'm constantly sharing the insights and strategies that genius coders use, so stick around for more content that's designed to make you think smarter, code better, and grow faster. Hit subscribe, and let's continue this journey together.